Let's dive right into the ASUS ROG Strix X670E-I gaming Wi-Fi, a motherboard that demonstrates impressive features in a compact mini ITX form factor. The first thing to note is how ASUS optimizes the available space, raising the VRM and M2 heatsinks. This smart design not only manages the thermal loads, but also ensures that this compact board can host all the critical components without compromise. Around the CPU socket, you'll find ample space to install your desired CPU cooler, whether that's a hefty air cooler or an AIO liquid variant. The two memory DIMM slots are available here for DDR5 memory, and they support up to 6600 MHz, ensuring your Ryzen CPU will have access to high-speed memory. The motherboard features two M2 slots, following the design trend of its predecessor, the X570E-I. One of these slots is capable of generating at the high-speed PCIe Gen 5.0, enabling faster data transfers. Along with this, the VRM design has been improved to a 10+2 configuration, a step up from the 8+2 setup seen in older boards. The X670E-I gaming Wi-Fi offers a PCIe Gen 5x16 slot. While it's the only PCIe slot available on this board, given the mini ITX form factor, it's a fair trade-off. ASUS makes up for the limited connectivity options inherent in a mini ITX motherboard by providing the ROG FP2 card, offering extra SATA ports and headers. What really sets this motherboard apart is the addition of the ROG Strix Hive. This magnetic extension brings in more features, including a volume dial, debug LEDs, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 port, and a BIOS flashback button. Importantly, the Hive is equipped with two USB 4.0 ports, providing impressive 40 GB per second data transfer speeds. Price-wise, it's on the higher end, but considering the features and the quality you're getting, it's a justified cost. Also, while the two DIMM slots might be limiting for some, they should be more than enough for most users who typically run with dual-channel memory. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Strix X670E-I gaming Wi-Fi strikes a great balance between offering high-end features, a reliable VRM setup, and a practical design in a compact form factor. To sum up what I love is the compact, high-performance mini ITX design, easy CPU cooler installation due to ample socket space, DDR5 memory support up to 6600 MHz, two stacked M2 slots with one supporting PCIe Gen 5.0, and it features dual USB 4.0 ports for fast data transfer. On the downside, high price point, only two DIMM slots, potentially limiting for some users, and limited port count due to small form factor. So what do you think? Is this the best motherboard for you? Or do you think another board is better? Check another video where we reviewed the top 3 motherboards for Ryzen 7 7700X and see if any of these is a better option for you. Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Have an awesome day.